Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for making razor-sharp purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers with a face-off between the Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Let's call it Photon Mono 2 feet, and the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K resin 3D printer, aka Photon Mono M5s. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most crucial factor: price. The Mono 2 comes in at a sweet $239. For that price, you could buy a year's worth of coffee, or one very fancy resin printer. On the other side, the M5s is a whopping $559. That's more than double the price. According to reviewers, the Mono 2 offers great value for beginners, while the M5s is seen as a premium option worth its high price for advanced users. Now let's talk screens. The Mono 2 boasts a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen with a resolution of 4090x2560. Reviewers say it's like watching your favorite Netflix show in HD, but for miniatures. Meanwhile, the M5s flexes with a 10.1-inch 12K screen and a mind-boggling resolution of 11,520*5120. That's finer than a human hair, folks. If the Mono 2 is a solid movie night, the M5s is a cinematic masterpiece in IMAX. Volume matters, right? The Mono 2 offers a build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters. Not too shabby for most of your printing needs, and reviewers appreciate its compact size for smaller projects. But the M5s, it's like the Hulk of build volumes. Big, strong, and ready to smash your expectations with its larger build area. Reviewers find it ideal for larger, more complex projects. Printing success rate is where things get spicy. The Mono 2 has a laser-engraved platform for increased adhesion and a high success rate. Reviewers find it reliable and beginner-friendly. But the M5s? It's like the overachiever in class, with its leveling-free tech and auto-device checks. Reviewers rave about its ease of use and high success rate, likening it to having a personal assistant that ensures everything is perfect. Speed demons, listen up. The Mono 2 is no slouch, but the M5s claims to be 3 times faster with an average speed of 105 millimeters per hour. Reviewers say the Mono 2 is sufficiently fast for most tasks, but the M5s will save you a lot of thumb-twiddling time with its impressive speed. If you're impatient, the M5s is going to be your best friend. Lastly, let's talk software. The Mono 2 comes with Photon Workshop 3.0, which reviewers find user-friendly with its new UI and slicing features. But the M5s? It's rocking Photon Workshop 3.1 with Intelligent Mode. Reviewers liken it to the difference between a regular chef and Gordon Ramsay. One-click repairs and advanced support algorithms make it a breeze. Reviewers generally agree that the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is an excellent choice for beginners, thanks to its affordability, ease of use, and reliable print quality. On the other hand, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s is praised for its advanced features, larger build volume, and faster speeds, making it a top pick for more experienced users looking to upgrade their 3D printing game. So which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and just getting your feet wet, the Mono 2 is a fantastic choice. But if you want to go all out and have the latest tech, the M5s is your beast. Either way, you can't go wrong. Both are stellar in their own right. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next epic showdown. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, buy smart, stay smart.